On the first day, start by applying homemade almond oil, which is nourishing and light. Massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes, leave the oil on for 10 minutes, then detangle and braid your hair. On the second day, use a hair mask made from coconut milk and curry leaves. Blend a handful of fresh coconut and curry leaves with water in a blender, strain the mixture, and apply it from the scalp to the ends. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse it with a mild shampoo. On the third day, comb and braid your hair, allowing it to breathe naturally. On the fourth and fifth days, reapply almond oil or use any hair oil you choose. Focus on a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, fruits, nuts, and green vegetables for overall health and hair nourishment. On the sixth day, use a hair pack made from flax seeds. Boil 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in a cup of water for 5 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Cool the mixture, add a tablespoon of coconut oil, mix well, and apply it to your hair section by section. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse it with a mild shampoo. Day 7 is for your hair to rest. Comb and braid it as usual, keeping it simple. Following this routine weekly can significantly improve hair health and growth.